Welcome to Auto Vibe. Today we are going to cover the top 3 motorhomes redefining luxury travel for the future. And what better way to start than with one of the most breathtaking creations in the world of luxury RVs, the Cadillac Motorhome. From the very first glance, this masterpiece demands attention. Towering with a double-decker design and finished in a sleek blend of pearl white, deep black, and gold accents, the Cadillac Motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a rolling 5-star hotel. Every curve and contour of the exterior has been engineered not just for aerodynamics, but also to convey a sense of status, elegance, and dominance on the road. Step inside, and the true essence of luxury unfolds. The Motorhome welcomes you with illuminated stairways opening into a world that feels closer to a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The design language carries Cadillac's trademark of sophistication, blending modern minimalism with bold, luxurious finishes. At the front, the dashboard and cockpit area redefine what it means to drive a motorhome. Instead of the utilitarian driver's seat we usually associate with RVs, Cadillac has given us a cockpit that mirrors the feel of a luxury sedan. Digital displays, touchscreen controls, and a pearl white leather-wrapped steering wheel with gold detailing remind you this isn't just transportation, it's command over a luxury yacht on wheels. The panoramic windshield floods the cabin with natural light while giving the driver a commanding view of the open road. Moving into the living area, the motorhome is a showcase of cutting-edge design. Imagine plush seating upholstered in premium leather, polished marble surfaces in the kitchen, and custom ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The kitchen itself feels like something out of a high-end apartment, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, induction cooktops, smart refrigeration, and plenty of storage seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. Every detail has been considered to make long journeys not just convenient but indulgent. Next, we step into the bedroom suite, and here Cadillac takes luxury to another level. A king-size bed with premium bedding, overhead mood lighting, and panoramic side windows create an environment of serenity. Whether you're parked by a lake, the mountains, or in the heart of a bustling city, this bedroom ensures your view is always 5-star. Even the bathroom has been designed to rival what you'd expect in a high-end hotel. Think rainfall shower, marble countertops, modern gold fixtures, and spacious storage. The combination of functionality and luxury ensures that no comfort is sacrificed. But what truly sets the Cadillac Motorhome apart is not just the sum of these features, but how seamlessly they're integrated. It's not simply a vehicle, and it's not just a mobile home. It is an experience, one designed for those who demand the best, even while on the move. So when you think of the future of road travel, the Cadillac Motorhome isn't just ahead of the curve, it is the curve. Stay tuned, because this is only the beginning. Coming up next, we'll dive into 2 more incredible motorhomes that are reshaping the world of luxury travel. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands absolute attention. Draped in a stunning light golden finish, the bodywork is sculpted with the same grace you'd expect from a Phantom or a Cullinan, but expanded into a grand futuristic touring machine. The iconic Pantheon grille stands proudly at the front, crowned with the spirit of ecstasy, reminding you that this is unmistakably a Rolls-Royce. Massive 6-spoke alloy wheels with gold accents anchor its presence, while sleek flowing body lines and an uninterrupted panoramic glass canopy give it a futuristic, yacht-like appearance. Parked in a pristine showroom, it looks more like a piece of modern architecture than a vehicle. Every angle designed to radiate power, prestige, and sophistication. Step inside, and the sense of luxury only deepens. The driver's cabin sits high above the ground, offering a commanding view through a wide panoramic windshield. Here, Rolls-Royce has blended practicality with pure indulgence. The captain's chairs are crafted from ivory white leather with golden diamond stitching, reclining like seats in a private jet. Polished wood veneers and piano black panels flow across the dashboard, while a wide digital cockpit provides every bit of information with Rolls-Royce refinement. This is not just a place to drive, it's a throne above the road. Moving further inside, the living space transforms into what feels like a rolling penthouse. The bedroom offers a king-size bed dressed in silk and golden accents, with ambient lighting that sets a calming tone. The bathroom, meanwhile, is a spa-like sanctuary, lined with golden marble and white onyx, complete with a rain shower and freestanding crystal bathtub. Even the kitchen redefines luxury on the road, with seamless golden cabinetry, white marble countertops, and hidden high-tech appliances that appear only when needed. Every inch of the interior is handcrafted, blending Rolls-Royce's traditional opulence with futuristic motorhome practicality. When it comes to performance, Rolls-Royce hasn't compromised. Under the sculpted body, the motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid V12 engine paired with electric motors, delivering both silent cruising and commanding power when demanded. The advanced suspension system ensures the legendary Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet ride, even on long journeys across uneven terrain. Despite its size, the vehicle glides effortlessly, reminding you that this is still very much a Rolls-Royce at heart. Now, the big question, what does all of this cost? Rolls-Royce has positioned the 2026 motorhome as the pinnacle of luxury travel, and the price reflects that ambition. Starting at around $2.5 million, with customization options that can take it well past $3 million. This is a motorhome reserved for the very few who demand nothing less than the best. The 2026 Rolls-Royce motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of how far luxury travel can be taken, combining the freedom of the open road with the elegance of a five-star resort. For those who can afford it, this is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. Thank you for watching the Auto Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of the most extraordinary vehicles on the planet. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo XXL. This isn't just a camper van scaled up. It's a rolling palace designed to combine the prestige of Mercedes engineering with the comfort of a modern luxury home. Let's take a closer look at the exterior, the interior, the performance, and of course what you can expect when it comes to pricing. First impressions of the exterior are striking. The Marco Polo XXL doesn't look like a conventional RV. Instead, its body has the clean, monolithic presence of a futuristic yacht on wheels. The entire vehicle is finished in sleek metallic gray, and the lines are seamless, flowing smoothly from the front all the way to the rear. Up front, you'll notice the bold upright Mercedes grille with its chrome vertical slats and the iconic three-pointed star set proudly in the center. Ultra-slim LED headlights blend perfectly into the fascia, giving the motorhome a sharp modern identity. From the side, the XXL's sheer scale is apparent, stretching over 3 axles with 6 massive wheels that fill the arches. The real showstopper is the panoramic glass canopy that runs along the upper deck. Tinted in an amber hue, it gives the Marco Polo XXL a futuristic glow that feels more like a private jet or a high-end yacht than a road vehicle. Step inside and the sense of luxury only grows stronger. The interior is designed to reflect the elegance of a modern penthouse suite. The warm amber glow from the panoramic glass floods the lounge, where soft leather seating and clean minimalist surfaces dominate the space. The kitchen is compact, but state-of-the-art, with induction cooking, a stainless sink, and a marble effect countertop. Moving to the bedroom, you're greeted by a low-profile bed with integrated LED lighting beneath the frame, soft touch fabrics, and plenty of hidden storage. The bathroom continues the theme of futuristic luxury, with a frameless glass shower, a floating marble vanity, and curved illuminated panels. Every detail has been carefully designed to feel seamless, clean, and ultra-modern. You don't feel like you're in an RV. You feel like you're in a high-end smart home that just happens to move with you. When it comes to performance, Mercedes has kept true to its reputation for engineering excellence. While exact specs haven't been officially released, the Marco Polo XXL is expected to feature a powerful 6-cylinder diesel hybrid setup, tuned for long-distance touring while maintaining efficiency. With the triple-axle design, expect excellent stability even at highway speeds and air suspension that delivers a smooth, composed ride. Mercedes is also expected to offer semi-autonomous driving features, making long road trips less tiring and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the price. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Early estimates place the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo XXL in the range of $650,000 to $750,000, depending on options and customization. That puts it firmly in the ultra-premium category of motorhomes, competing with the likes of Volkner Mobile or high-end Prevost conversions. But what sets the Marco Polo XXL apart is the design language. It looks like the future of luxury travel, packaged with Mercedes refinement and attention to detail. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo XXL isn't just transportation. It's a statement of style, wealth, and innovation. For those who demand the very best in both comfort and presence, this is a motorhome that turns every road into a red carpet. The 2026 Ferrari RV Motorhome, a machine that brings together racing heritage, cutting-edge design, and the comforts of a rolling villa. Ferrari is known for pushing boundaries, but this might just be its most ambitious statement yet. On the outside, the Ferrari RV Motorhome is unmistakably Italian. The exterior design borrows heavily from Ferrari's sports car DNA, with sharp aerodynamic lines, sculpted curves, and an aggressive stance that sets it apart from anything else on the road. The signature Ferrari front fascia has been reimagined into a larger, more commanding presence, complete with a wide grille, slim LED headlights, and bold air intakes that hint at the power lurking beneath. Painted in Ferrari's signature Rosso, Corsa Red, the RV doesn't just look like a touring vehicle. It looks like a supercar scaled up for the open road. Lightweight carbon fiber panels and aerodynamic elements are not just for show. They improve efficiency and help this giant slice through the air with surprising elegance. Step inside, and the Ferrari magic continues. The driver's cabin is elevated, with racing-inspired seats upholstered in premium leather and Alcantara, stitched in Ferrari's trademark red and black. The cockpit layout feels like a fusion between a Formula One car and a luxury lounge, with a digital instrument cluster, flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls, and metallic paddle shifters that remind you this is still a Ferrari at heart. From the driver's position, the view is commanding, but the atmosphere is pure motorsport elegance. Moving into the living space, Ferrari has redefined what an RV interior can be. The lounge area features sleek, minimalist Italian design, with high-grade carbon fiber accents, leather walls, and LED ambient lighting that glows like the cockpit of a hypercar. The bedroom is compact but indulgent, with a queen-size bed dressed in Ferrari-stitched bedding and storage integrated seamlessly into the walls. The bathroom feels like stepping into a boutique hotel, lined with lightweight composites, chrome, fixtures, and a rainfall shower that adds a touch of modern luxury. Even the kitchen is crafted with Italian flair, with red lacquered cabinets, stainless steel counters, and high-tech appliances hidden behind sleek panels. Every detail blends functionality with Ferrari's obsession for design precision. Performance is where Ferrari makes its boldest statement. The RV is powered by a hybrid V8 engine, derived from Ferrari's road-going supercars, paired with electric motors that provide instant torque. Despite its size, this motorhome can accelerate with authority, delivering an experience no other RV on Earth can match. Advanced suspension and aerodynamic management ensure stability and comfort, while the Ferrari-tuned exhaust reminds you that this is not a typical touring vehicle. It's still engineered to thrill, and of course, exclusivity comes with a price. The 2026 Ferrari RV Motorhome starts at around $1.9 million, with customization options easily pushing it well past the $2.5 million mark. With so few expected to be built, it's less of a purchase and more of a collectible piece of Ferrari history. The 2026 Ferrari RV Motorhome is more than just transportation. It's an audacious blend of motorsport DNA and luxury living, created for those who want the thrill of Ferrari while embracing the freedom of the open road. It proves that when Ferrari dares to expand its vision, the result is nothing short of extraordinary. Thank you for watching The Auto Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Ferrari's boldest experiment yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of the world's most extraordinary vehicles. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This isn't just another high-end RV, it's a rolling palace. A fusion of Bugatti's hypercar DNA with the opulence and practicality of a double-decker luxury residence on wheels. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and of course, what it might cost to own a beast like this. On the outside, the Bugatti Motorhome is simply breathtaking. It takes cues from the brand's hypercars but translates them into an entirely new form factor. The signature Bugatti horseshoe grille dominates the front, framed by ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a futuristic stare. The curved panoramic windshield sweeps high into the double-decker structure, making the entire cabin feel commanding and elevated above the road. From the side, sculpted aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly into a towering yet elegant silhouette. Triple rear axles carry 6 massive aerodynamic black multi-spoke rims, and flush-mounted circular and rectangular windows break up the surfaces with a futuristic yet practical rhythm. The metallic gray paint finish shimmers under light, giving the whole motorhome an aura of understated power. Simply put, it looks like a Bugatti hypercar evolved into a beastly 2-story land yacht. Step inside and the magic only intensifies. The interior is designed to match the exterior's gray metallic palette, with leather, polished aluminum, and marble effect materials creating a harmonious, futuristic environment. The cockpit is unlike anything in the RV world. A panoramic digital dashboard stretches across the entire front, displaying navigation, performance metrics, and smart home controls, while the elevated quilted leather captain's chairs make you feel like you're piloting a luxury starship rather than just driving a motorhome. Move upstairs, and the lounge and bedroom areas set a new standard for mobile living. Expansive gray leather sofas, ambient LED strips, and panoramic tinted windows create a calming yet dramatic atmosphere. The bedroom features a king-sized bed with silk bedding and a sculpted leather headboard, perfectly blending comfort and modern design. The kitchen is equally refined, with glossy cabinetry, integrated appliances, and marble effect countertops illuminated by underlighting. Even the bathroom has been transformed into a spa-like experience, with gray marble surfaces, rainfall lighting in the shower, and floating vanities that wouldn't feel out of place in a luxury hotel. This isn't just a motorhome interior. It's Bugatti's vision of mobile luxury living. Now let's talk performance. While Bugatti hasn't released official specifications, insiders suggest this motorhome could feature a high-performance hybrid powertrain capable of delivering both immense torque for hauling its size and efficiency for long journeys. Advanced air suspension, adaptive dynamics, and even semi-autonomous driving systems are expected to ensure that despite its size, it handles with the smoothness and authority worthy of the Bugatti name. This is not about racing down highways, but about delivering an effortless, powerful, and commanding driving experience. And finally, the price. As you might expect, Bugatti luxury does not come cheap. Industry analysts estimate the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome will start well into the multi-million-dollar range, likely between $5 to $7 million, depending on customization. That makes it one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world, but also one of the most exclusive. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a symbol of futuristic luxury and engineering brilliance. For those who can afford it, it represents the ultimate fusion of hypercar performance and 5-star living on the road.